I start this video, I would just like to come on here and remind you guys that here at Melanin Eclectic, Black lives will always matter. And this is Black everything. Black people, Black culture, Black lives, Black careers, Black existence. We stand by my people, and if that bothers you, this might not be the channel for you. But let's get on with the video. Hi guys, like, welcome you guys all back to my channel. For this particular video, I know the sound is gonna be a little wonky, but my phone has been trying to update for the past like 2 hours, so I figured I'm not gonna have my mic today and I might as well just record. With that being said, just let you guys know there will be 2 book videos this week. So this video comes today on Wednesday, and there'll be another video on Thursday because I got 2 subscription boxes and I don't want to get too far behind. So with that being said, today, where's my box? Come here, come here. Today, we are doing Owlcrate. So Owlcrate is on time. Fairy Loot is a month behind. I think that's what it is. So I don't know why I closed this box over there. I just opened it. Wow. So right off the jump, this takes up a good portion of the box. So we just gonna jump right into it. It says it's a Nevermore throw blanket. Nevermore. I mean, again, I literally have the other one right there, so. I mean, it's pretty. It's white, so I feel like I need to keep it like well clean. It's just like, it's literally like a book page, which is cool. Like I said, I really like her plush blankets, and this was the sneak from last month. So, I mean, it's a blanket. It's not one of those blankets where I look at it and I'm like, oh my gosh, it's so pretty, but it's a blanket and I'm just adding to my library blankets. Three, two, one. The next thing is this, and I'm trying not to look at the back because whenever there's an Owlcrate box, it tells you what it is on the back. Spoons! Oh, and cute spoons. How cool is that? It has like a skull on it. That's cute. That's so creative. I would have never thought to do this. This is great because I pulled out like my fall, like Halloween stuff, because I feel like we've officially hit that time of the year where I can pull it all out and nobody judge me. So we have a gold one, a black nickel one, and a silver one. That is cute. Okay, it says, monsters were unrestrained, unbound, and beautiful in their destruction. And it's inspired by The Bone Houses by Emily Lloyd Jones. I do remember having that book over there, so maybe I'll actually do some spooky reads this year. Felt a candle. Oh, it's black. Ooh. The Black Flame Candle, Essence of Vanilla and Bourbon, made by Novelty Yours. It smells like a piece of candy. I don't know. It's not as bad as I thought because I personally am not a fan of the scent of vanilla. But I can't put my finger on what it smells like. I mean, it says Black Flame Candle, but does it actually burn black? That's my question. Oh look, the spoiler card. A Glorious Haunting. That is the Owlcrate for this time. Ooh, a pretty enamel pin. So this is from obviously A Glorious Haunting. The Pickety Witch. That's who it's designed by. This is actually a simplistic, pretty pen. Okay, there we go. So that's what it looks like. I really like the detail in it. It's a very simplistic pen, but it's pretty. I think it's jewelry, or hopefully something that's not breakable. It is. It's an enamel bookmark. Ooh. I don't think I've ever had an enamel bookmark. I didn't even know this was a thing. So it says, use this to mark your page, mark your place in the book you're currently reading by placing the length of the chain between the pages as you would a normal bookmark. P.S. DNF, an acronym used in book reviews that means you did not finish. Oh, because it says death before DNF on the thing. That's cute. I didn't even know this was a thing. Now I feel like we need one. Melanin Eclectic needs one. Huh. And then not only that, but it's like, it's not technically, it looks like it could be rose gold, but I'm not sure. This is actually a really cute idea. I don't know how well it's going to work for a book though. Oh, it's stuck on here with some sticky stuff. I'm going to try it. I'm going to try it in my book and see. It's like really hard to get off. Look now, Owlcrate, you want me to use this bookmark, but then like you put the stickiest of stuff on it. There we go. Does it come off? Can we? Okay. It's like a weird jelly thing. Like I get what they did for like product packaging and stuff. It's just annoying. So it'll hang like this in your book. That's cool. I mean, I don't do Ouija boards normally. Like that's usually a thing I don't do, but I will try it out to see how the bookmark works. Huh. Sleepy Hollow, Fiction by Fiction Bath Co. It's a vegan lip balm. I do like the fact that they have a security strip on there to let you know somebody has opened your chapstick or not. I do like that. I don't want to put it on my lips yet. I can't really smell anything. If it is a smell, it's a very, very subtle smell. I mean, I'm all for a good chapstick, and this looks like it's got olive fruit oil, candelia wax, coconut oil, shea butter, palm fruit, jojoba, rose hip. So I feel like this is still a good, it doesn't have a scent though. So if they were really trying to get a pumpkin spice flavor, I don't smell anything. I gotta like deep inhale. It's not a very strong scent at all. So this will definitely be one that goes in a purse because we all know you have like 12 purses and they've all got their own chapstick. So this will go in one. So I think we've reached the end of the box. So the next thing is the book. So Horrid by Christina Leno. I don't even know what this book is about, y'all. Have I been out of the YA sphere too long, or have I just not been paying attention? Let's see. Thank you for putting a plastic covering on it to protect my book. I do appreciate that. Okay, so it says, is this grief, mental illness, or something more horrid? Following her father's death, Jane North Robinson and her mom, Ruth Ellen, moved from sunny California to the dreary, dilapidated old house in Maine where Ruth grew up. All they want is a fresh start, but behind North's manor's doors lurks a history that leaves them feeling more alone and more tortured. As the cold New England autumn arrives and Jane settles into her new home, she finds solace in old books and memories of her dad. She steadily begins making friends, but Jane also faces bullying from the resident bad seed and struggles to tamp down her own worst nature in response. Ruth seems to be spiraling with the return to her childhood home, but won't reveal why. Then Jane discovers that the storage room Ruth has kept locked isn't for storage at all. It's a little girl's bedroom, left untouched for years and not quite as empty of inhabitants as it appears. Ooh, it has a pretty cool dust jacket too. Honestly, I don't know. This reads like this isn't one of those books where I'm like, ooh, I have to read it, because I feel like this story is a story that has been told a million times, and I'm not seeing any special twist or anything that's driving me to read this book. To be honest, after reading the description, I still don't have much of a desire to read the book. But I might give it a try, because again, it was a book that came with my Owlcrate, so I might give it a try. But I do want to know what you guys' thoughts are on this book. Did it grab your attention? Because it did not grab mine at all. 3, 2, 1. So, where's the spoiler card? Hold on. Obviously, Edgar Allan Poe. I did really like the skull spoons. I thought they were really, really cute. So that's definitely just going into my fall decor. The black flame candle. I just want to know if it lights black. Lapels and spells. I do like them. Raina illustration created the reverse dust jacket. Nah, I mean, the box was solid, at least. But it didn't really grab me. So this is what the two covers are. I think I actually like this cover more than this cover. But again, this book did not really grab my attention. So I don't know what I'm going to do with it right now. I mean, I'm going to actually pull out a lot of my fall decor stuff today to see what I have so that I can buy more stuff. But let's see. October's box is Legends and Lore. And it says, every October box will include a unique and useful item created by fabric designer Janine LaCour. I'm not liking the examples of her work that they gave us, but at the same time, it might be like a book sleeve or a pouch, because that's usually what they give. So can we get any more information about next month, or no? Like, nope, we can't get anything else about next month. All right, well, I mean, that was the September Owlcrate box. My question to you guys is, did you like the box? Did you not like the box? Y'all saw, for me, it's kind of a eh. There are some things that I liked in the box, but the book was kind of like... There are other releases coming out that came out in September that we could have gotten a box of. I'm just saying. But yeah, so thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget, there is another book video coming out tomorrow as a special add-on. And until the next time, guys, bye.